Please hug me.
Sure, man.
You don't understand how much you inspired me.
Oh, dude. You hit me, man.
Thank you. Yeah. I'm loving this.
Savage!
How's it going?
Keep going. Don't put me on camera.
Before we get to that, let's get today's video is sponsored by Get Roman.
Did you know that 52% of men will experience ED? Let that sink in for a moment. More men experience ED than don't. Get Roman has a solution for you. Roman is a digital health clinic for men that utilizes U.S. licensed medical professionals. Roman provides effective, FDA-approved treatments for men's sexual health, like ED, hair loss, STD treatments, and more. You can get free online evaluation and ongoing care for erectile dysfunction, all from the comfort and privacy of your home. If appropriate, medication ships to you free with 2-day shipping. Roman's system is completely confidential and totally discreet. There are no big logos or labels on any packages. The whole process is straightforward, convenient, and discreet. Go to getroman.com/savage or click the link in the description today to start your online visit. If you're prescribed, you'll receive $15 off your first month of ED treatment.
So thanks to Get Roman for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it.
Can I please hug you?
Sure, man.
You don't.
I don't get that normally, but yeah.
You don't understand how much you've inspired me.
Oh, dude.
I was so excited about this. I wrote up questions.
All right, hit it. You're on camera, so be careful.
How were you as like a teenager? How do you feel like?
I was obnoxious. Truthfully, as a teenager, I worked very hard. By the time I was 13, I had 2 businesses. So I worked hard and just did what made sense. And so you're looking to inspire yourself, do what you love. That's all you gotta do. As soon as you find something you love, just keep at it.
I'm going crazy in my head right now. What was your high school experience like, and how do you think it impacted you today?
I actually hated high school. I grew up in a town where I was 2 Jewish kids. So I was tormented as a kid. And that's a very tough thing. I had to overcome that and all that. And then I realized that it wasn't my education that I hated, it was the people who were bothering me who I hated, and then I just turned it around and worked hard and did what I did.
I feel like I can relate to that because I went to like art school. I was able to like express myself how I felt.
Yeah.
Some stuff came up, so I had to switch to a school and slide down. And after I switched, it was like I didn't know who I was anymore because like people would torment me about like the way I carry myself. Like,
kids are evil, no offense. You get past it. You grow up, you learn things, you learn from your mistakes.
what advice would you give your high school self?
That's easy. Just do what you love.
Do what you want.
Just whatever inspires you, stick at it no matter what, do as hard as you can, and you know, don't be afraid to challenge and take risks.
Besides all the cars and all that, like what like genuinely wakes you up in the morning?
My kids, my family, these guys.
You don't understand how much you inspire me. As a junior in high school, like me just like wanting to do more for myself. Like I aspire to live life with you guys, honestly. And
Take one step at a time. This is all fun.
yeah,
And this is, we do good stuff. This is not who we are.
I feel like you do understand so much.
I do. I didn't start the channel to be, I did it actually for kids, to actually be able to enjoy cars.
Yeah.
You hit me, man.
Thank you. It's good, yeah. I'm loving this. Can I say
Thank you for the story. I appreciate you sharing that.
I'm a changed man.
Alright, you see this dress, you got it. This fits so good, you flaunt it. How you get so iconic? I see you, babe. Can't wait for later. My favorite flavor, like blue lifesaver.
How you doing? Nice to see you. How you doing?
And,
Holy cow, look at that thing. I have one of these coming. Oh, I'm so excited about to see it. Okay, I gotta get it. Oh, the center driving position is just,
it's a propagated shifter. Center seat, above use your Apple CarPlay and rear camera.
This is just over the top. I love that.
This is Jeffrey the giraffe printed on leather with a vinyl coat, so this is real.
It's really giraffe.
No, it's not really
Just
giraffe.
kidding. I know.
Go ahead and put your foot on the clutch and the brake and hit start. 650 horsepower, supercharged bone stock motor.
Supercharged, man. This thing, the positioning is unreal. And I sat in some details and all that.
It's all the practical things. The air conditioning is out of a Escalade.
Yeah.
So it's not an Alfa Romeo or Audi.
If it breaks, you can fix it.
Clutch and front lift.
Wow. This is freaking amazing.
Made in Danbury, Connecticut.
Yep.
This side is a little shorter, so short like me is okay, but over there
And
I
the
can
CS
fully
with the
extend.
paddles, obviously you get a little more legroom on that side.
Unbelievable. Why would anybody order paddle?
Here's the thing, right?
I mean, a
the,
race-
the people that
race
are
car.
ordering a CS are ordering an S as well.
Right, okay, that makes sense.
And this is the last American power plant supercharged, lightweight, fast, analog car is the S.
Dude, this is insane. You get one too?
Yeah.
LT4 still says Corvette on it. Built by Gary at some point, you know. But Chima 6-speed box, Koenigsegg transmission, R8 transmission. and obviously bespoke exhaust and air box, etc.
So it's a Koenigsegg trans.
They've used it across a couple. It's a transaxle.
Right.
So
The one that was in the CCX.
yes.
Yes, I had. So I know exactly because I had a CCX.
The thing about Glickenhaus is we're looking for the right buyers, but also people that will keep the cars,
Yeah.
but also come back to us in 10 years and say, can I get a factory refresh? And we'll do it. We'll do it at cost.
This is a sinister looking car,
And
and I like that.